In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Resend to Base44. So first step, make sure you are logged in your Base44 account. Then hover your mouse over Integration tab, click on it. And from here, you need to find Resend. As you can see, it's second one. Click on it. And here you can read through this overview of this integration. Then you can see some example prompts. So for example, you can create a CRM where I can store my client's contact info, tag them by status, and send follow-up emails directly from the app. And keep in mind, to use this integration, you need to have activated the backend functions, which are available only at Builder Plan or above. Now to connect it, you need to get a Resend API key. You can get it by copying this link from here, and you can paste it in new tab. This will open Resend site. If you don't have Resend account, you can create one, then go to API keys tab, and from here click on create API key, then type your API key name, for example test key, then choose permission, sending access or full access, and then click add. This will create your API key. You can copy it. Now go back to Base44 and click on use this integration. Then from here you need to paste in this field your Resend API key, and once you paste your key, as you can see, it's showing me integrations 1, and that means it's successfully connected. And that's how you can connect Resend to Base44. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.